All right, guys, Laurent from Fibro Pools again. Today, I just wanted to take the time to explain to you really what our plug and play concept is. Okay, so some of you might know we have this whole plug and play concept that really makes the pool easy to install because, from the factory, we do a lot of the plumbing, a lot of the installation for you guys. But I just wanted to show you exactly what's included and what would be your job as a contractor or self-installer to finish the project. Okay, so let's start, for instance, with a pool that is coming straight from the factory. Okay, this is a Canadian model, so you just have one bottom drain. On the US, you would have two bottom drain, okay, about 6 feet apart from each other. LED light would sit right here, and obviously this is the skimmer. If you guys would choose to have LED light, it would already be pre-installed on the pool itself. But as a customer, your job would be to connect the two drains to the skimmer. Okay, so let's say you do the installation. This is about what it should, this is what it should look like, all right? So Canadian model, once again, only one bottom drain. So it's a direct connection from the skimmer to the drains. If you're in the US, you have the two drains, you need to connect the two drains together and then finish it up with the same connection to the skimmer. Then, okay, the main return line goes from, okay, so the inlet that is the farthest from the pool. You have this fitting right here that is provided with the installation kit. By the way, if you guys didn't see exactly what is included with our installation kit, just go and see on our channel. We had a video showing exactly what we provide with the pool itself. Okay, so 2-inch pipe in the US, 1.5-inch pipe in Canada. You would just need to get this going under the skimmer itself. And then supposedly, okay, let's say we have our filtration set up a bit further. Let's just see, what it looks like on that end. Okay, so we have our piping just going all along the pool. We'll get to that plumbing later. So it goes right in the pump. Okay, our filtration system comes pre-plumbed and assembled. So obviously your job is to connect, the main suction line and the main return line. But everything that is already on the filtration system, okay, it comes pre-assembled like that for you. Okay, so you have your pump, so the water goes in the pump, through the cartridge, salt system if you want to have one, heat pump if you want to have one added, and then goes back into the pool. Okay, so the ins and the outs for the heat pump already installed. So your job is really just to set, those two lines that goes to the heat pump and then back into the pool. All right. Then, from the pool itself, once the water went in and now is going out of the filtration system, it's gonna go back to the pool, where once again your job is to plumb the return line that goes into this jet inlet right here. Okay, so all the jets, the air intake for the jets, that's already pre-plumbed and assembled and tested from the factory for you guys. Okay, so you don't have to connect any of this on all of our shells. That's come standard and pre-installed. So your job is just to connect those two together, and that's it. I mean, that's all you need to do the plumbing, to connect the pool and the filtration system. After that, obviously, you would need to have an electrician to come and get the whole system started, get the LED connected, the salt system connected. The LED, the salt comes also with a transformer for you to be able to, plug them in. So super straightforward. And if it was not clear enough, just feel free to reach out. Okay, the informations are right there down below. Or if you guys didn't get your quote yet, just feel free to reach out, and it would be more than a pleasure to help you guys get started on your next project.